Welcome to this special meditation for the solar eclipse and new moon in Libra. This is a powerful moment for energetic transformation, balance, and new beginnings. As the energy of the eclipse intensifies the influence of the new moon, you're invited to reflect on the balance in your life and create space for harmony, clarity, and fresh starts. Libra's energy encourages us to seek equilibrium, peace and harmony in our relationships, in our decisions, and within ourselves. In support of the energy of the fall equinox and under this solar eclipse new moon, we are invited to reflect on our growth, acknowledge our lessons, and let go of things that no longer serve us. And as the days grow shorter, we are encouraged to prepare for introspection, find renewal, and seek balance in our lives, especially between giving and receiving, action and rest, and our inner and outer worlds. It is time for gratitude and grounding while we create space for new growth during the quieter months ahead. We are going to begin this meditation with our grounding and our centering. So begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the air fill your lungs. Slowly exhale, releasing any tension you might be holding in your body. Then allow your breath to settle into a steady, relaxed rhythm. Bring your focus to the ground beneath you, steady and unwavering, supporting you in this moment. Allow yourself to connect deeply with the Earth's energy, sensing its natural stability and strength flowing into you. As you inhale, imagine roots gently extending from your body, sinking deep into the earth. These roots grow stronger with every breath, reaching down through layers of soil and rock, attaching to the core of the earth itself. Feel the weight of the earth below you, anchoring you in a profound sense of stability, safety, and groundedness. You are fully supported here. As you breathe in, draw up the grounding energy of the earth, feeling it rise through your roots and into your body. With each exhale, release any tension, fear, or scattered thoughts, allowing them to flow down through your roots and be absorbed by the earth. With each breath, become more present in your body, more centered in the here and now. notice how you feel more balanced, more at peace, and more connected to your inner strength. This connection with the earth is always available to you, reminding you that you are never alone. You are always supported by the grounding energy beneath you. The solar eclipse marks a time of intensified transformation. As the moon temporarily blocks the sun's light, you are given the opportunity to reflect on your shadows, the hidden aspects of yourself that often reside beneath the surface, unnoticed or ignored. These are the parts of you that may have been shaped by past wounds, fears, or experiences that you've buried or suppressed over time. These are the parts of you that you reject or you hide. Our shadow aspects may manifest as patterns, habits, or emotions that create discomfort, but they hold within them the key to deeper healing and growth. Take a moment to visualize the eclipse, feeling its energy around you. In this darkness, acknowledge anything that has been weighing on you. Consider the areas of your life where you feel stuck, reactive, or unfulfilled. These are often clues to your shadow. What patterns, beliefs, or emotions are no longer serving you? Allow them to rise to the surface without judgment. The shadow is not something to be feared or rejected. Rather, it's an invitation to explore what you've neglected or avoided within yourself for so long. In acknowledging these hidden aspects, you begin to create space for healing and integration. And by bringing these shadows into the light, you can transform them into sources of strength, wisdom, and self-awareness. As you breathe in, imagine the eclipse clearing these energies, making space for new beginnings. And on each exhale, feel yourself releasing the old, trusting the universe to guide you through this process of renewal. Let's focus on Libra's influence of balance, harmony, and partnership. Imagine a pair of scales in front of you representing the balance between your inner and outer worlds, your relationships, and your own needs. And ask yourself these questions. Where in your life do you feel out of balance? Are you giving too much or too little in certain areas? How can you create more harmony in your relationships, your career, or your self-care? As you reflect, visualize these scales slowly balancing out, aligning themselves with ease and grace. Breathe in this sense of equilibrium, feeling it enter your body, your mind, and your spirit. With the new moon energy, you are invited to set new intentions. Intention setting is a powerful manifestation tool to align your thoughts, energy, and actions towards a specific goal or a desired outcome. And since new moons and eclipses are about renewal and transformation, this is the perfect time to plant seeds for the future. Think about what you wish to manifest in your life, particularly in the areas related to relationships, harmony, and personal growth. Take a moment to silently affirm your intentions. I welcome balance and peace into my life. I nurture relationships that support my highest good. I trust in my ability to create harmony within myself and my world. As you breathe in, feel these intentions taking root in your heart. With each exhale, imagine these seeds being nurtured by the energy of the universe, growing stronger with each passing day. As the solar eclipse energy fades and the light begins to return, imagine a brilliant golden light surrounding you, symbolizing the return of clarity and empowerment. This light represents the insights and transformations you've gained during this meditation. Let it fill your entire being, from your heart to your mind and throughout your energy body. Feel yourself renewed, balanced, and ready to step into this new phase of life with confidence and grace. Take a few deep breaths here, anchoring in this feeling of clarity and peace. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this sense of balance and new beginnings with you into the rest of your day. And we will finish this meditation with an affirmation. I release my old self with gratitude and welcome new beginnings. I am exactly where I'm meant to be. Thank you for joining me in this meditation, and may this powerful eclipse and new moon bring you clarity, balance, and the opportunity to align with your highest self. Namaste.